Today I'm cooking a simple, healthy and delicious chicken soup with angled gourd or luffa. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 750 grams of angled gourd or luffa, washed and cut, 200 grams of minced chicken, 1 egg, 500 ml of water, 2 stalks of spring onions, cut with the white stems and the leaves separated, 2 cilantro roots, 3 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Put all the washed peppercorn in mortar and grind until very fine. Add in 2 cilantro roots and continue to pound. Add in 3 cloves of garlic and pound until very fine. After about 2 minutes of pounding, this is what it should look like. Leave it aside. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt and pounded mixture to the chicken. Marinate until minced chicken and seasoning are well combined. This should be okay. Leave it aside. Switch on the heat. Add in 500 ml of water, the balance of the salt, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. This will take a minimum of 3 minutes for the honeycomb pan. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Give it a stir. Use a teaspoon to scoop the marinated minced chicken in bite sizes and drop them in the hot soup. Repeat until all the minced chicken is added to the soup. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously and the chicken meatball should be cooked. Add in the white part of spring onions and angled gourd. Stir until they are well distributed. It may look like there is a lot of angled gourd and not enough soup right now. However, once the angled gourd is cooked, it will release a lot of water and we will have more gravy. Cover the pan and cook for 4 more minutes. After 4 minutes, the angled gourds are cooked and have released a lot of gravy into the soup. Give it a stir. Now I can give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Next, beat the eggs and add it into the hot soup. Give it a quick stir to mix. Switch off the heat so as not to overcook the egg. Garnish with cut spring onions. And we are done. A quick, easy and tasty soup for the family. It is best served immediately once cooked. Let's eat! So good! The chicken meatball is fragrant and tasty. The angled gourd is sweet, tasty and very soft. They go really well with the egg soup. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!